Dive into the beat, exploring ASAP Rocky's musical journey and iconic hits. Ever wondered how ASAP Rocky became a global music sensation? From the gritty streets of Harlem to the glitzy stages of international arenas, Rocky's journey is a testament to talent, resilience, and an unyielding passion for music. Born Rakim Mayers in Harlem, New York, Rocky's journey began in the streets. The vibrant culture and challenging environment of Harlem played a pivotal role in shaping his musical aspirations and unique style. Inspired by legendary rappers like Tupac and Biggie, Rocky found his passion in music. Their groundbreaking work laid the foundation for his own artistic endeavors, igniting a fire that would drive him to success. In 2011, ASAP Rocky's debut mixtape took the internet by storm. Live Love ASAP showcased his distinctive sound and lyrical ingenuity, quickly amassing a dedicated fan base and catching the industry's attention. Long Live ASAP debuted at #1 on the Billboard 200, marking Rocky's arrival. The album's success solidified his place in hip-hop, proving that his mixtape triumph was no fluke but the start of a legendary career. Peso became an anthem, showcasing Rocky's unique style and lyrical prowess. The track's infectious beat and clever wordplay resonated with fans, propelling him into the spotlight. It was a defining moment, solidifying his place in the hip-hop scene. Goldie, produced by Hit Boy, cemented Rocky's place in mainstream hip-hop. The track's luxurious production and Rocky's charismatic delivery made it an instant hit. It highlighted his ability to blend street style with high fashion, setting him apart. From Lana to Kendrick Lamar, Rocky's collaborations are legendary. These partnerships have allowed him to explore different sounds and styles, further showcasing his versatility. Each collaboration has brought something unique, adding depth to his already impressive discography. ASAP Rocky is not just a rapper, but a fashion icon, redefining hip-hop aesthetics. His bold style choices and fearless approach to fashion have made him a trendsetter. Rocky's influence is evident on runways and in streetwear, blending music and fashion seamlessly. As a core member of ASAP Mob, Rocky has helped shape the group's collective sound. His leadership and creative vision have been instrumental in their success. The group's collaborative efforts have produced some of the most exciting music in recent years. ASAP Rocky's second studio album, At Long Last ASAP, demonstrated his artistic growth and willingness to experiment with different sounds. This album blended psychedelic, soul, and trap elements, reflecting Rocky's diverse musical influences and his desire to push creative boundaries. LSD, a standout track from At Long Last ASAP, introduced fans to Rocky's psychedelic side. The song's dreamy production and introspective lyrics set it apart, showcasing Rocky's versatility as an artist and his ability to innovate within the hip-hop genre. Beyond music, ASAP Rocky has ventured into acting, making his debut in the film Dope. His role in the critically acclaimed movie highlighted his versatility and ambition, proving that his talents extend beyond the recording studio and stage. ASAP Rocky's influence on modern hip-hop is undeniable. His unique style, characterized by a blend of high fashion and streetwear, has inspired a new generation of artists. Rocky's innovative approach has helped shape contemporary hip-hop's sound and aesthetic. Rocky's commitment to philanthropy is another significant aspect of his career. He actively supports various community initiatives, using his platform to give back. His efforts to uplift and inspire others demonstrate a dedication to making a positive impact beyond music. ASAP. Rocky's collaborations with high-fashion brands like Gucci and Dior have solidified his status as a style icon. His unique blend of streetwear and haute couture has set trends and inspired both fashion enthusiasts and designers around the globe. Rocky's music videos are known for their innovative and visually stunning aesthetics. He combines artistic direction with bold, cinematic storytelling, setting new standards in the industry. These visuals not only complement his music, but also elevate the overall experience. With multiple Grammy nominations, ASAP Rocky's talent has been widely recognized. These accolades highlight his influence and contribution to the music industry. cementing his place among the top artists of his generation and inspiring aspiring musicians. Harlem's influence on ASAP Rocky's music is unmistakable. The authenticity and raw energy of his sound are deeply rooted in his upbringing, reflecting the vibrant cultural tapestry of his hometown. This connection keeps his music genuine and resonant with fans. Despite facing controversies and legal issues, Rocky's resilience has kept him at the pinnacle of his career. His ability to navigate challenges and maintain his artistic vision underscores his enduring appeal and influence in the ever-evolving music landscape. With Testing, ASAP Rocky pushed the boundaries of conventional hip-hop, incorporating eclectic sounds and experimental beats. This album showcased his willingness to innovate, blending genres and defying expectations, thereby solidifying his reputation as a trailblazer in the music industry. Rocky's influence on the fashion industry extends beyond his music. Known for his bold and avant-garde style, he has become a trendsetter, often seen in cutting-edge designer wear. His unique fashion sense continues to inspire fans and fashion enthusiasts worldwide. ASAP. Rocky's relationship with Rihanna has captivated media and fans alike. The high-profile couple often steals the spotlight with their public appearances and shared projects. Their relationship adds another layer to Rocky's multifaceted public persona, blending music, fashion, and celebrity culture. Rocky's entrepreneurial spirit shines through with his creative agency, AWGE. This venture allows him to explore various artistic avenues, from music production to fashion collaborations. AWGE serves as a platform for creativity and innovation, reflecting Rocky's diverse talents and business acumen, ASAP. Rocky's live performances are nothing short of electrifying. His dynamic stage presence and energy captivate audiences, making his concerts unforgettable experiences. Fans flock to his shows, eager to witness the charisma and talent that have made him a global sensation. ASAP. Rocky's influence on youth culture is profound, extending beyond music to fashion and lifestyle. His unique style and bold choices have inspired a new generation to embrace individuality and creativity, making him an icon for today's youth. Fan-favorite tracks like F****, Kin Problems, and Praise the Lord are beloved worldwide. These songs showcase Rocky's lyrical talent and ability to connect with listeners, solidifying his status as a significant figure in modern hip-hop. Rocky's innovative approach continues to shape the direction of modern rap. His willingness to experiment with different sounds and styles has set him apart from his peers, making him a trailblazer in the ever-evolving landscape of hip-hop. From wild tour stories to behind-the-scenes moments, ASAP Rocky's life is full of intriguing tales. These anecdotes provide a glimpse into the man behind the music, offering fans a more personal connection with the artist. If you enjoyed this deep dive into ASAP Rocky's world, hit that subscribe button for more on the Music Educator YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the lives and careers of your favorite artists.